If you ever opened a shaver box and felt like you just got catfished by plastic, you're not alone. But this is the Philips Norelco 6900 with SenseIQ. And today, we're unboxing it live. I'll show you what's included, no glamour shots, no BS, just a hands-on straight shooter first look at what your money actually buys. Alright, let's see what the Philips thinks a $100 shaver should look like. Right up front, you've got the Norelco 6900 unit itself. This little guy can scan your bear density 500 times per second and auto-adjust power as you shave. Yeah, sounds pretty cool. Next, those 360-degree flex heads. They pivot in every direction, hugging your jaw and chin like a drone with facial recognition. Bonus, the heads have a microbead coating called ComfortGlide, which helps it slide across your face instead of yanking like a weed trimmer. And here's the Quick Clean Pod, their system for cleaning the unit. One button, 1 minute, and it deep cleans and lubricates better than water, supposedly. There's also a pop-up trimmer right here for detailing edges, and the slick LED display shows battery cleaning alerts, and even when you don't need to change the heads. The battery charges in an hour, runs for 60 minutes, and gives you one shave from just 5 minutes plugged in. Not bad. Is the 6900 just a fancier Philips? Or does the SenseIQ tech actually earn its keep? Maybe sometime later I'll update y'all. If this unboxing helped you out, or saved you a trip to the store, give it a like and let me know.